So you've just started going to the gym and want to make huge progress, get in better shape and feel better about yourself. But there's something that's seemingly standing in between you and your dream body, and that is confidence. It may also be described as gym anxiety or gym intimidation. How can you get over this hurdle and start progressing and leveling up mentally and physically? Carry on watching and I'll help you answer that question. So first off, what is this beast that is gym anxiety? I see it as the self-conscious and fearful mindset many people slip into when they first start going to the gym, and that pushes you away from the eye in paradise and all the progress you can make within it. You picture in your head this huge place with muscular and athletic men or women that are going to judge you for not having perfect form, that are going to roll their eyes at you when they see you not in shape, asking themselves questions like, why is he doing that exercise?
Only 5 kilograms.
You're nothing. You're so weak. You call yourself a man? Huh?
And this overthinking therefore makes you self-conscious and puts you in a fearful and negative mind state before you even pick up a dumbbell and start your journey. Therefore, when you walk into the gym for the first time, you may get the feeling inside that everyone is staring at you and judging you like it's your first day at school or something. This can therefore for many people make the gym a demoralizing and fearful place, and can push some people away from going to the gym at all and walking away completely. But how can you break out of this mindset and start making progress and better yourself in the gym? Here are some tips to help free you from the shackles of gym anxiety. First off, try and separate what is reality and facts and what is made up in your head. If say you're doing a dumbbell bench press and you just picked up your dumbbells from the dumbbell rack, walk back to your bench to start doing the exercise, and all your mind is obsessing over and thinking about is whether people you walk past were looking at you, whether certain people are judging you. Oh, I've got to do this exercise perfectly so and so over there won't judge me and won't start laughing to their friends about me. Ask yourself, was that 100% a fact that someone was looking at you or laughing at you? Or was that all made up in your head? 99% of the time that was made up in your head. It's simply your own insecurities that were kind of coming to life as feelings in your head, telling you that others are judging you maybe just as hard as you maybe judge yourself. It's important to understand, as harsh as it may sound, you aren't that important to everyone at the gym. Not in a nasty way. 99% of the time, all anyone is doing is focusing on themselves and the lifts they're doing. Or maybe even having a similar thought to you and thinking why you're staring at them, especially if no one in that gym even knows who you are. Just a quick interlude to say that almost 98% of you aren't already subscribed, so if you're enjoying the video and want to see loads of tips to do with gym and fitness, then please hit that subscribe button. We're shooting for 300 in the next couple of weeks. Hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload and when I've got new tips for you. And back to the video. Secondly, if you struggle a lot with gym anxiety, it could be a great thing at the start to start going with a friend. Starting the gym solely on your own, walking in just by yourself, can be very daunting at the start, but going in with someone you feel comfortable with will make the experience a lot less stressful and a lot less scary. It will relieve your nerves, and maybe they can even help you and show you how to do certain exercises and help you learn the ropes of the gym, how to use certain equipment, and make you feel more at home at the gym and know what you're doing when you go alone in the future. So maybe reach out to that friend and ask them if they'd like to join you on your fitness journey. Share them this video and maybe the timestamp as well. If you can't find a friend to go with you and you really think that you need to start going with someone, most gyms have PTs, so you have a trainer with you showing you how to do certain things and pushing you, which would also have a same beneficial impact to maybe having a friend. Thirdly, keep consistent. Keep going to the gym to fight this anxiety head on. The more you step into that gym and get your workout done and get feeling stronger, the more comfortable it'll end up feeling and the more confidence you'll gain. By repetitively facing this anxiety and fear, you'll teach your brain that there's no real danger to worry about at the gym, and then eventually you'll start to defeat this lack of confidence and going to the gym won't even faze you. Another tip may be to go into the gym with a plan. This is not only for your muscles and making sure that you train them enough and progress them, but it can also help shake off this gym intimidation, as when you face intimidating situations, it's always better to have a plan with clear intentions in mind of what you're going to do, how you're going to do it, and for how long. Maybe download an app where you can track certain exercises. One way to plan your gym workouts and make them more effective, progress even more on your fitness journey, is to subscribe to the channel you're on right now, or to check out these videos here on the right. Let me know in the comments your experiences of gym anxiety. I'd be very interested to hear your stories. Like if this video helped, share it to someone who may need it, and peace.